Hello students, welcome to Swapna physics classes. In this lecture I am going to explain you one more important short answer question for your TS intermediate second year IPE physics examination. And the question is, explain the formation of a rainbow. How a rainbow is formed? The rainbow is formed due to the dispersion of the light, reflection of the light and refraction of the light. Whenever the light undergoes dispersion, reflection and refraction, a rainbow is formed. And what is dispersion? Dispersion is the separation of the visible light into its constituent colors. And the visible light contains with GR 7 different colors of different wavelengths. As you move downwards, the wavelength of the different colors increases. Okay. And diagrammatically, I will explain the formation of a rainbow. If you assume that this is the raindrop, and the sunlight get incident on this raindrop, this is the incident sunlight. After getting incident, what happens? This sunlight gets refracted. And the dispersion of the sunlight takes place. That means the light is split into different wavelengths with GR, V, I, B, G, V, R. Okay, the light is split into 7 different wavelengths. And whenever this refracted ray get incident on the other inner side of this raindrop, undergoes total internal reflection. Whenever the incident angle is greater than the critical angle, the total internal reflection takes place. Okay, and this reflected ray again gets refracted and comes out of this raindrop. And the angle between the incident ray and this violet color is 40 degrees. And the angle between this red color and this incident ray is 42 degrees. In this case, the total internal reflection takes place for one time, and the refraction of the light takes place for 2 times, at this point and at this point. Refraction takes place for 2 times. Okay, and this type of formation of rainbow is known as a primary rainbow. Primary rainbow is formed due to the total internal reflection for 1 time, refraction for 2 times. Okay, and there is also a secondary rainbow. And how is it formed? I will explain. Whenever the sunlight gets incident on the raindrop, it will be refracted and also dispersed. And at this point, the total internal reflection takes place for once, and at this point, the total internal reflection takes place for twice. One more time. Here for once, here for second time. And again here the light ray will get refracted and this light rays will come out of the rainbow. Here total internal reflection takes place for 2 times and refraction also takes place for 2 times. And this type of formation of rainbow is known as a secondary rainbow. Okay, the observer here observes the different colors of a visible light or different wavelengths of a visible light, which is nothing but a rainbow. Okay, so rainbow is formed due to dispersion, reflection and refraction of the light. Here the light gets refracted and dispersed and then after gets reflected and again gets refracted. Okay, and hence a rainbow is formed. And we have different conditions for observing a rainbow. And the first condition is, if you assume that this is the earth, the sun must be in one part of the earth and the rain must be in another part of the earth. Raining in one part and sun is in one part. Okay, and whenever the sunlight incidents on these raindrops and gets refracted and total internal reflection takes place and then get refracted and reaches the observer's eye. Okay, then he will observe the rainbow. And one more thing is, second condition is, this observer must face towards the rain and his back is towards the sun. Then only he will observe the rainbow. These are the conditions, 2 conditions for formation of a rainbow and for observing the rainbow. Okay, and for this case, for secondary rainbow, the angle between the incident ray and the violet color is 53 degrees and the angle between the incident ray and the red color is 50 degrees. Okay, and one more thing is, for the primary case, for the primary rainbow, what happens? The red color, as the red color is having maximum wavelength, it bends least. Red color bends least and the violet color bends most. Okay, this is the violet color, this is the red color. In case of secondary rainbow, what happens? Violet color is in downward direction and red color is in upward direction. In case of primary rainbow, you will observe VIBGR in this form. That means here you will observe violet color, next indigo and the remaining colors, finally you will observe the red color. But in case of secondary rainbow, the uppermost color is red color and the lowermost color is a violet color. This is the only difference between primary and secondary rainbows. Okay, and here I will end our lecture. And till now who didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the like button and share with maximum number of people possible. Okay, bye.